Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the device won't die mid-reset. Charge above 30% and back up any unsent messages. Once ready, unlock the Realme Narzo 20 and open settings, depending on your UI, head to System Management, or About Phone. Then find Backup and Reset or Reset options. This is where Network resets live. I'm guiding you to the exact panel so you don't hit other factory options by mistake. Stay in Reset options for the next step. Now select Reset Network Settings, labeled as Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth on many builds. You'll see a summary of what this clears: saved Wi-Fi, paired Bluetooth devices, and mobile data settings, and that's intentional. It removes corrupted profiles. When prompted, confirm the action and enter your PIN or pattern to authorize. Make sure you want to proceed. Once you confirm, the phone quickly clears those records and restarts network modules. After the reset completes, rejoin your Wi-Fi networks and repair Bluetooth devices. You'll need passwords and confirmations again, which restores fresh connections. If you lose mobile signal, toggle airplane mode off and on, or power down and reinsert the SIM to reseat it. If that doesn't fix it, restart the phone and check APN settings against your carrier's values. One key troubleshooting tip: if mobile data still fails, contact your carrier before doing a full factory reset to avoid unnecessary data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.